Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by identifying the battery chemistry and capacity because charging profiles differ. Once you know it's 12V lead acid or lithium, set the charger to the matching mode and a safe current, about 1/10 of capacity for routine charging. Make sure terminals are clean and connections tight. Poor contact wastes time and heats parts. Connect the charger to the battery first, then to mains. This reduces sparks. Keep the Raft ventilated if using sealed lead acid, and monitor for any swelling or unusual heat while charging. Once charging begins, watch the bulk stage where the charger delivers higher current to quickly restore most capacity. You'll see volts climb and amps gradually drop. Make sure the battery stays cool, stop if it becomes hot. When the charger shifts to absorption, current drops and voltage is held. This top-up prevents undercharging and balances cells. For lithium packs, the charger must follow constant current, then constant voltage limits, and respect the battery management system cutoff to avoid damage. Make incremental checks and log voltage and temperature periodically. End the cycle by allowing the charger to enter float or storage mode to sustain a safe maintenance voltage. This prevents overcharge while keeping capacity ready. When done, power down the charger, then disconnect from the battery to avoid arcs. Clean and resecure terminals and reinstall the battery into the Raft. If the battery won't hold charge, test for parasitic drain, measure resting voltage after a full charge, and run a load test. Cell imbalance, sulfation, or a failing cell are common causes that require repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.